sausage casserole. Need 1 onion finely chopped.
Here's what I like, laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts so then we take a ride wherever. I always try to let my spirit fly.
2 celery sticks.
That's the only way to get that high, always. If you're looking for trouble,
1 red and 1 yellow pepper.
if you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces wood, I'm not backing down. So if you're looking for trouble, you better come, I will give you a
3 cloves of garlic. What we're going to do is going to heat some oil in a big pan. Been trying to go for the biggest pan you've got. I've only put a tiny drop of oil in here, probably not enough. Right, now finely chopped onion we're going to chuck in there, and we're going to cook that for 5 minutes or thereabouts. I've lost the wooden spoon. Okay, found it. Okay, right, then the onions are nicely softened now. So now we're going to add in the peppers, the yellow peppers, and the chopped celery. I'm going to cook that for another 5 minutes. Give them a good stir in. And this is why I said a big pan, because there's a lot of stuff going in this. Okay, that's all nicely softening down. So, next thing's next, we're going to put our chorizo sausages in. And our pork sausages in. Cram them in where we can get, because it's getting crowded in here now. Right, and let them start to heat and cook through for 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes. Everything's 5 minutes. Okay, right, while we're waiting for them sausages to cook, we'll prepare the next bit. Now take our chopped garlic and add to that 1.5 teaspoons of paprika.
what I like. Stepping from the roof, baby, it's almost too high. Laying on the grass, I close my eyes.
1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. You were expecting me to say cumin then, weren't you? No, cumin. 1 tablespoon of thyme. The sausages are coming on quite nicely. Now, not quite sure how we're going to do this. We now have all those bits we put together on the plate with the thing, and these have to be stirred into this lot. It looks like a bit of a challenge to me, so but we're going to give it a go. We're just going to chuck it in and then start to give it a good stirring round, and we cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until the aromas start to be released. which actually is almost immediately because it smells lovely. Well, I can mostly smell thyme at the moment. I wonder if other aromas are going to escape. Trying to keep all this lot under control is as difficult as it looks, but it is all mixing in nicely, if you can see that. Ah, okay, right, when I say when the aromas start to be released, when they do, you'll know what I mean. Actually, it's rather nice. Oh, blimey, I like the smell of that. Next, we have 125 millilitres of white wine, which we're just going to pour in, and then use a wooden spoon just to scrape around the bottom, because in case anything's got stuck down there, because we don't want it stuck. It wants to be in with that wine. And finally, we add our washed kidney beans in, and whoa, mix them in along with everything else. Bring it back to the boil, turn the heat down so it simmers, and cook it for approximately 45 minutes. Sausage casserole. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed the video. Do give it a try. It smells delicious. I mean, it really does smell lovely. Right, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please click the subscribe button and press that bell for notifications. And until next time,